Hello, everyone. It's time for us to take our assessment for Unit 3, Quarter 2. At the top of your paper, be sure to put your name on your paper and also your date. Now, let me remind you that you can use tools to help you to navigate through this assessment. You know what your tools are, but one that you need essentially is that pencil so that you can express your answers and what you're thinking here in the blanks. So when you're ready to get started, go ahead and push play. But please make certain that your name is on your paper. Number 1. 2 bears are eating lunch. 3 more bears join them. How many bears are there in all? Write a number sentence to explain the story. Pencil on number 2. The question reads, Sally has 3 apples. She puts the apples on 2 plates. Write the number of apples on each plate. Write the number sentence to explain the story. Sally has 3 apples. She puts the apples on 2 plates. Here are your 2 plates. Write the number of apples on each plate. Write a number sentence to explain the story. Once you have your answer, you may move on. Now it's time for you to peel your page back. And on the back of the page that we just worked with, you can see something that looks like the picture here. You should see starfish, squares, and also at the top you should see the number 3. The question reads, how many are in each group of starfish? How many are there altogether? You need to put your answers here to express your thinking. Keep in mind, if you need to stop, please pause and then come back so that we may continue on to the next question. Okay, let's put your pencil on number 4. Number 4 is at the bottom of your paper and it's below number 3. Question is, solve the following problems. Draw a picture to show your work. The question reads, 2 and 1 is, and there's a blank for you to show your thinking. It asks us to draw a picture to show your work. So I should see a picture of how you would like for us to understand your thinking of 2 and 1 is whatever your answer is. The next thing we need to do is for you to express your thinking for 5. Take away 3 is. And let's put an answer here. Before you put an answer there, or while you're trying to figure out what answer you need to put here, I need to see a picture to show your work. 5. Take away 3 is. Keep in mind, if you need to stop, please pause before you continue, or you may stop. If you did not understand the question, you can go back by rewinding the video so you can hear Miss Jones again. All right, question number 5. Question number 5, if you would flip your paper over, you should see at the top of your paper number 5 and trucks. The question is, Kenny had 2 trucks. His mother gave him 2 more. How many does he have now? Write a number sentence to explain the story. If you need to go back to the question, please rewind the video so that you can hear the question again. If you're ready to move on, we move on to number 6. If you need to stop, please stop to answer the question. Number 6. In the box, we're talking about this box right here, draw a picture to show 5, take away 4. Complete the number sentence. In the box, you draw a picture to show 5, take away 4. And then you're going to complete the number sentence by showing your thinking here. What is 5, take away 4? Please include a picture. Number 7. Mark had 2 balloons. Lisa brought 3 more. Write a number sentence that tells how many they have in all. Mark bought 2 balloons. Lisa bought 3 more. Write a number sentence to tell how many they have in all. And here's where you write your number sentence. When you're ready to move on, what I would like for you to do is peel your page back so that you can be at the top of the next following page, which is on the back of this page. And the number that comes after 7 is 8. Okay, again, number 8 is found on the back of page 7, so you need to have peeled back your page and put your pencil on number 8. Also, there are some monkeys here, and it looks like we have some chimpanzees here. The question reads, circle the addition expression that tells about the picture. So we need to look at this picture carefully, and you're going to choose one of these rectangle boxes that best tell the story. Once you are done with that, you're ready to move on to number 9. Number 9 is at the bottom of your page, and it reads, draw a picture to show your work. Solve the following problems. 4 take away 2 is. So you need to draw a picture, and then you solve the problem by expressing your thinking here. After you're done with this problem, we need to draw a picture to show your work here and put your answer of what you were thinking here. So let me back up. For this one, the question reads, 3 take away 1 is. And we know we need to put our answer here. Before we put our answers there, we need to draw a picture to show our work in this blank provided here. Okay, listen up. This is number 10, and number 10 can be found on the next page. Once you flip it, you should see a number 10 at the top. Here are the instructions for number 10. Match each equation with a row of squares. So you're going to match each one of these equations with one of the rows of squares. So let me read the first equation to you. 5 take away 1 equals 4. So you have to find one of the models here that expresses 5 minus 1 equals 4. When you have the answer, what you're going to do is you're going to draw a line from your equation to the model that you have selected over here. So you're matching them up. Let me read the next one. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Which one of the equations on this side matches 5 minus 3 equals 2? Draw a line from 5 minus 3 equals 2 to one of the models over on this side. Let's move on to the next one. 5 minus 5 equals 0. Again, choose one of the models on this side, either this one, this one, this one, this one, or the one here at the bottom that represents 5 minus 5 equals 0. Draw a line from your equation to the model. Let's move on. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Again, which one of the models up here shows 5 minus 2 equals 3? And you're going to draw a line from the equation to the row of squares that match. Next equation, 5 minus 4 equals 1. Which one of the equations matches 5 minus 4 equals 1? Please go back and make sure you've selected the right response that connects to your thinking. Once you have matched all of the equations, what I would like for you to do is go back to the beginning of this video, listen to it, take your time and make sure that you have answered every question. Be sure to include your name on your paper and the date. Thank you, and hopefully you are very successful with your Unit 3 assessment for Quarter 2.